City Fun Trio।
सो गाइस, आज का हमारा जो चैलेंज है उसका नाम एक्चुअली पुराना है। ओके,
विस्पर चैलेंज पार्ट 2।
ओके, सो ये चैलेंज हमने पहले भी किया था, इसका पार्ट 1 हो चुका है। अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा तो प्लीज 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 जाके देखिए। या एंड वी विल इवन पुट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो।
You have to go and watch it once.
या सो गाइज, लास्ट टाइम हमने कुछ ऐसा किया था कि हमने विस्पर चैलेंज के लिए हमने मूवीज के नाम
मूवीज के नाम नहीं
सॉरी
लिए
डायलॉग्स
नहीं, हाँ डायलॉग स्लोगन
प्रोवर्ब्स और वो सब लिया था।
phrases।
या बट इस टाइम हमने मूवीज के नाम लिए हैं। ओके, सो गेम गोज लाइक दिस कि हम तीनों ने चार 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 चिट्स लिखी है और चार चिट में चार मूवी के नाम, इन्होंने अपने लिए, इन्होंने अपने लिए, मैंने अपने लिए। अब मेरे पास जो चार चिट है उनमें से दो मूवी के नाम मैं टी को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, दो मूवी के नाम मैं जे को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। एंड इफ दे गेस इट करेक्टली दे विल गेट अ पॉइंट। इफ दे डोंट गेट इट गेस इट, नो वन विल गेट द पॉइंट। ओके, सो एंड इट इज लाइक यू हैव ओनली 1 minute टू एक्सप्लेन इट, नॉट मोर देन दैट।
1 minute।
या सो इफ जे टी को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं देन आई विल बी द टाइमर, आई विल सी द टाइम एंड सो ऑन। ओके, एंड द सेम गोज। अगर आपने प्लीज 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 आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट नहीं देखा है तो वो भी देखिए, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस।
इसमें बहुत मजा फन गाइस,
एंड या
फन शूटिंग एज वेल, इट विल बी फन।
एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो, दैट वाज अ नाइट शूट गाइस। या तो go, don't miss it. Okay, so let's start with the challenge. Okay, so who will go first?
Don't do that. You wanna go first? You wanna go first, or I should go first? But every time I will be the first one. You're not at all audible. You don't audible. Sorry guys.
बोल थी लास्ट वीडियो में मैं गई थी।
She has already started whispering now.
ओके, मैं जाती हूँ, ठीक है, चलो आप जाओ। आई मीन मैं आप लोग को एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। ओके, मैं तो
She is explaining. You are explaining or we have to explain to you?
नो, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग।
Okay, then who will wear the earphones first?
जी,
ओके गाइज, मैंने जैसे बोला ये दोनों करेंगे, मैं टाइमर बनूंगी। मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया, मैं सच में टाइमर बन गई। ओके, यू हैव ओनली 1 minute।
आई नो।
एंड गर्ल्स एंड गाइज, वी विल डेफिनेटली शो यू हमने चिट में क्या लिखा है। यस,
So I should close my eyes.
ओके, तो टी क्या दे रहे हैं? डोंट स्पीक इट आउट। इट इज दिस। ये मूवी है गाइस, आपको दिख गई होगी। यस, सो स्टार्ट।
Yeah. But listen guys, you should tell me at least it is Hindi or English, or its name is Hindi or English.
ऑल द मूवीज आर बॉलीवुड मूवीज।
No,
सब
I'm
मूवीज।
talking about whether the name is English or Hindi. That also you should say now.
नो 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 नो,
Come
दैट
on.
यू हैव टू गेस यार, अभी इतना सारा नहीं बताएंगे।
वही।
सॉरी,
This is not dumb charade.
सो लेट्स
It is
स्टार्ट।
dumb charade. I
ओके, तो ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट।
what? My 1 minute is not started.
वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ। ओके, सो
Wait
गाइस,
a minute, guys. As soon as you start the song, she should start explaining it to me. All right?
Okay.
And you have to look over there also.
हाँ, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
Wait a minute. See, listen. It's 46, 146. I'll stop. All right?
ओके, 1 2 3 स्टार्ट।
हेलीकॉप्टर,
शो देम आल्सो।
हेलीकॉप्टर,
स्लोली, डोंट मेक
हेली,
Ellen.
slowly, slowly,
Ellen.
slowly.
हेली,
It is
Eh.
A. No.
हेली,
H. Hey. Hedil.
ली, हेली, हेली,
You are speaking it quite loud, she might hear it.
हेली,
Hey.
ली,
अरे क्या है?
क्या है?
हेलीकॉप्टर,
तो किसका go slow?
गाइस, मूवी
I'm
का
going
नाम
slow.
है हेलीकॉप्टर ईला।
हेलीकॉप्टर,
Helicopter.
ईला,
Ila. Helicopter Ila.
हेलीकॉप्टर का, हेलीकॉप्टर,
Helicopter
ईला।
Ila.
ओके गाइस, तो जे ने मूवी गेस
So guys, I
कर
got
ली
the
है।
first point.
या उनको 1 point मिल गया है। नाउ टी विल गो विद द सेकंड मूवी।
ढूंढने तो दो।
ओके, रेडी गाइस, इनकी सेकंड मूवी ये है। या ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, स्टार्ट।
I will start the music. It
Yeah,
is
yeah.
38. I'll stop again at 38, guys.
स्टार्ट।
मन मर्जिया,
What?
मन, मन,
Month.
मन
month, man,
मर मर
man,
मन
man fix.
मर
Mad,
You don't do the actions.
मर
man.
मन मर जा क्या
अरे she is only not sure about the half time she's reading. Ridiculous.
What is it? I just
मन मर्जिया.
मन मर्जिया
Man marziya. But
Okay,
actually, lastly, when she said marziya, that was a bit audible to me. But
Oh, तो ये cheating हो गई.
no, it's all right. It was her only fault.
अरे no, this is cheating.
But I got both the points, so guys.
अरे नहीं, but this is one.
What? No, this is correct. Okay.
Stop.
She gets it.
Okay, तो guys, J को 2 point मिल चुके हैं. तो now what you will do? You will explain to me or she'll.
No, now she'll explain to you.
Okay. See the time, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You okay. Hana. All right, guys. They can read men.
Okay. Ready.
So 1 minute, wait. 2, 3, start.
Article 15
What?
A
Fix a
T
Adil
T
Ari
T T
I'm having
Ali
T
Ari.
R T
Anushka, you have
I'm not getting it.
T
Aki
T
Ari
T
Aki
T T
Ani Ami Ali
R T
Ali
R T
Ar-
T T
Arti Arti
Girls
Article 370 Article 51 50 Article 50 Article 53
No
Article 15 Article 50.
How many time is over?
No, but I told it. मैंने आर्टिकल मैंने आर्टिकल बोल दिया. मैं 5th मैंने 5th तक बोला. 3 मैंने बोल
See,
दिया.
from since when you are doing 53, 50, 51.
अरे यार I told them.
All right, then she gets the point. It was on 51 she started. 0.51 she started the music and 1.51 exactly on 51 he said the name of the movie.
So I get the
So
point.
guys, we should give her the point.
Okay,
Alright.
close your eyes.
Wait. Okay. Right.
Wait.
अरे what you are doing?
All right.
Can you?
अरे बस ना तो जल्दी कर.
Okay.
All right. Wait, Anushka, wait. I will tell you 1, 2, 3. Start.
The
Huh?
Slowly you are talking.
The.
sky
The.
sky
What you are doing? What? The
sky
sky.
is
The sky. The sky
Slowly.
is. The sky is pink. The sky is pink.
So she got 2 points. I get 2 points. Now what?
Now you go or I'll go.
Oh, you go.
Okay, I'll go. Okay, guys. तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास कुछ movies
अरे
हैं.
you don't have to explain again and again. We do
Yeah,
it.
sorry.
You are so slowly.
Okay.
Anushka, very fast way.
I'll explain that first.
Yeah. Well, I will put a very good song for her that she can enjoy. Yeah.
Guys,
Then you
I'm
have to thank
choosing
me
my
later.
movie. मैंने इधर 4 chits लिखी है.
Ridiculous this lady.
Sorry.
Explaining. All right, guys. So,
Yeah.
first you show them the movie, then I will
Yeah.
start the music.
which
right?
song is it?
It is, guys. It is this.
Oh wow.
You like
Okay.
it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So 1, 2, 3, start.
थोड़ा आगे बढ़ाओ.
बाद.
हाँ.
बाद.
1 minute. हाँ.
बादशाह.
बाद
शाह.
Say it slowly.
बादशाह.
बजाओ.
बादशाह.
बादशाह. Hey,
She gets 1 point, so the scoreboard goes like this. I am 2, she is 2, and she's 1. You shut up.
Waka.
All right, guys. So Tanishka,
Now,
Again, she will
another song.
Other song. Wait, I have to see. I will select a good song for you.
Oh.
Only wait,
This is an ad.
shut up. Started. You can
Come
show
in
it.
middle.
Close your eyes.
थोड़ा middle में.
Guys, अभी मेरा second movie. It's this.
What is it?
It's burned.
हाँ.
Okay,
1,
so
2,
start.
3, start.
चांदनी,
So little
चांदनी,
छतरी.
चांदनी,
शादी.
चांदनी,
शादी.
चांदनी,
शादी.
चांदनी,
शादी नहीं है.
चांदनी,
शांति.
चांदनी,
शाह है.
चांदनी,
शाह है.
चांदनी, चांदनी,
शान.
चांदनी चौक
this
टू
is a-
चाइना.
हाँ.
फुल नेम चांदनी चौक टू चाइना.
जहाज. शादी में उछला.
What?
चांदनी,
शाह.
चांदनी, चांदनी,
शादी.
चांदनी,
शांति.
चांदनी,
राज्य.
चांदनी,
हाँ,
चांदनी, चांदनी चौक टू चाइना.
नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
चांदनी,
शांति.
चांदनी. गाइस इतना क्लियर बोले. चांदनी, चांदनी,
शादी.
चांदनी,
शादी.
Nice.
चांदनी.
She's up with her.
आगे
time.
बढ़ो
I have
पहले.
to tell
Time
you.
up.
Yeah, very much.
टाइम अप. It was this.
चांदनी चौक तो चाइना.
चांदनी चौक टू चाइना.
Now the
अरे आपने वही पार्ट लगाया जो मेरा फेवरेट.
So
आई लव.
you should thank me.
Okay, now
I'll
Leave.
explain it to you now.
Yeah. Wait.
Thank you. Wait, I'll.
No. I will see the timing. I'm very much honest, not like you.
fast, fast, fast.
Hold, guys. And I'm not looking.
Well,
also, you
my
can see
songs
them.
were Waka Waka and Taki Taki Room.
Okay, wait, I'll show. Close your eyes, catch her. I will keep your hand.
Wait. Let me go behind only behind her. And we go. And
Guys, ये है उनका नाम.
नहीं, don't do that.
ये
she
उनकी
told to
मूवी का
catch her.
नाम है मुझसे दो. Okay, guys, so this is the movie of name. Okay, yeah. Ready? Time.
she's from ready from.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Start.
मुझसे
मुझसे,
दोस्ती,
तुझसे.
दोस्ती,
It is मुझसे.
yeah.
मुझसे.
दो
Second word तुझसे,
दोस्ती,
खुद से.
दोस्ती,
तुझे.
दोस्ती,
See here.
दोस्ती,
तुझे.
दोस्ती,
तुझसे.
दोस्ती,
You are telling the second word, right?
दोस्ती,
तुझसे.
दोस्ती,
तुझसे. No. खुद से.
मुझसे
दोस्ती.
दोस्ती. मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी.
Yeah.
So I got 1 point.
वो दोस्ती नहीं है शादी है.
There are two movies.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'll explain Jay her the last movie which she has to guess. अगर उन्होंने चारों पॉइंट स्कोर कर दिए, then she'll be in the lead. और फिर अगर मैं चारों
Nani, I request you.
let's see. Okay. So close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Guys, it is this. Don't read it. दिख रहा है आपको?
Done?
Yes.
Okay. I open my eyes?
Yes. Guys, तो अभी मैं उनको एक्सप्लेन करने जा रही हूँ. Hope she doesn't guess the movie. They start now.
एक मिनट है guys.
खुद के लिए सॉन्ग चूज करे में इतना टाइम लगा रहे हैं.
Advertise.
Advertise. What happened? Tanishka, check the time.
1, 2, 3. Start.
Dil.
तेरी.
Dil.
See, you're not lip sync.
I'm lip sync
proper,
Dil.
huh?
I'm saying properly.
हाँ से ना. अरे से but time is going.
दिल.
दिल.
बोले. बोले.
You,
बोले.
तू थोड़ा
बोले.
दूर रह.
बोले.
हाँ, बोले.
बोले. दिल बोले.
हड़प्पा.
हिडप्पा.
हड़प्पा. हड़प्पा.
हिडप्पा.
हड़प्पा.
दिल बोले वो.
दिल बोले हड़प्पा.
हड़प्पा.
हड़प्पन civilization. Literally Kadapa. Hadappa.
Hidappa, no.
No.
Hadappa. Fast.
Hadappa. It's Hadappa. Hadappa. Did you see the time? Yes. So you
Dil
said-
bole. Dil bole.
Dil bole. Hadappa.
Hadippa. Hidappa.
Done.
Done. Dil bole.
Hadappa. Hadappa.
So I said.
You didn't tell Hadappa. You told Hadappa. Whatever. You didn't say Hadappa. You were telling You told Katappa, you told Hadappa, Hidappa, you told Hidappa. Oh my god, you didn't say Hadappa.
ओके गाइस, तो जे के 3 पॉइंट्स है टोटल. फाइनल 3 पॉइंट्स. योर
One.
1 and I am 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you will explain to us. Bas, over for you.
She is 3.
Yeah. Dil bole Katappa.
Katappa, mama.
I had never heard this.
Okay, so first you are explaining. You are explaining her or me?
No, I have to go.
Yeah, you will explain. Now only you.
कोई बचा है?
I'm the rest.
Yeah, so say whom you are explaining first. आप पहले किसका explain
You.
करेंगे?
आपके पीछे कोई है तो पता नहीं.
Alright. So guys, I am explaining D first, and the movie is somewhat like this. Not somewhat, it is this.
Somewhat.
Tanishka show.
Okay.
Don't cheat. Tanishka bus हो गया. Tanishka bus हो गया. Alright.
Give it to me.
Alright. So we'll start. You have to look at me. And 1, 2, 3. Start. Thugs.
What?
Thugs. Thugs.
She's not doing it properly.
I'm not doing it properly.
Sure.
Thugs.
She's
The
proper.
word is only that. Thugs.
Tucked.
Thugs. Thugs. Thugs.
Thugs.
You don't speak now. Rubbish. Thugs.
Do it properly.
I'm doing it properly.
No.
It is the way it should
Fine,
be.
do that.
Thugs. Thugs.
Thugs of Hindustan. Thugs of Hindustan.
Alright, guys.
हाँ गाइस, अभी मैं और जे इक्वल है. 3, 3.
So, guys, it is somewhat this the movie. Somewhat. Oh, sorry. This is the movie, and we'll start again. Alright.
What was that?
Okay, last movie
1, 2, 3.
for me.
1, 2, 3. Start. Ram.
Huh?
Ram.
Gum?
Ram.
What are you explaining? You're wasting my time.
Oh, sorry. Once again. Sorry, guys. I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3. Start. Kartik. Kartik.
Das.
Kartik.
I heard Kotika.
Kartik. Kartik.
Dati.
Kartik.
Nati.
Oh. Kartik.
Gadi.
Dhwani.
Kartik.
D. Kartik.
Katil.
Kartik.
The-
Kartik.
Ga-
Tanishka, you see the time? Kartik.
40. Gati.
Kartik.
Kati.
Kartik.
Gati.
No.
Say the whole movie.
Kartik calling Kartik. Kartik calling Kartik. Kartik calling Kartik. Guys, it is Kartik calling Kartik.
Dash or dash, something like that.
Yeah.
Sita Gita. और नहीं.
Kartik.
अरे what you told guess.
No, it is not there. Kartik calling Kartik.
Katil.
Done.
Time is done. Time is.
It was Kartik calling Kartik.
Kartik calling.
So you are also 3.
Yeah.
You are 3, right?
Yeah.
I
We
am
all.
also 3.
You are 4.
No, she's 3.
Also we 3.
Unfortunately.
But I done.
Yeah.
I am 1.
Now it is Tanishka, right?
Kartik calling Kartik. कार्तिक, आपको ऐसे बोलना चाहिए था कार्तिक,
See,
कार्तिक.
you were doing the same with me. That is the
No,
reason
I was not doing. I was saying clearly. Karthik calling Karthik.
अरे कोई अच्छा
You would have done this. See, Karthik. This one. See, like this.
What?
अब
अरे
तो
funny,
ऐसे-
एक minute.
दूरा.
नहीं दूरा no है.
अरे I love that one. Yeah, come on.
Fast. वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. अरे ये क्यों लगा रहे हो आप?
अगं बाई आई ग
You don't want that song.
You would have done this.
अगं बाई आई ग किधर से आया?
Karthik calling.
Right there. Tanishka! I will change the movie, guys. Actually, she has seen my movie, so something like that I have to do.
Okay. Fast, fast. चलो मेमोरी बनाए जाए सिर्फ वन थी.
Guys, my first movie is one minute. Guys, my first movie is Ram Teri Ganga Maili.
राम तेरी गंगा मैली.
Tanishka, close your eyes. This is the movie. Timing is 1:44. One.
Yeah, I'm seeing it here. I started.
Ram Teri Teri Teri
गिरी.
Teri Teri
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो नहीं तो बराबर बोलो.
Teri
तेली.
Teri
तेरी.
Ram Teri.
राम तेरी. गंगा मेरी.
Actually, she read this shit. Anyways, so my second movie would be what running.
I don't
Give me
know.
some movie. Actually, she read my movie. That is the reason
No.
I'm falling short of it. You go. What should I say? Anyone of tell me? Which she would not be able to. She will be able to understand. But she is doing rubbish, man. Wasting the time. It is 20
Fast,
minutes.
fast यार, fast बहुत बड़ा वीडियो हो गया है.
Yes, guys.
Last movie.
Last movies, and we'll start at the 57th. Alright. So, big movie.
See what? Wait.
Wait,
Now
wait.
you.
I will not start the timing, okay?
Wait, 5 you start.
Big movie.
Yeah, starts. Wait.
हाँ, अरे no, it will be very tough रे.
You tell them na. No, it's okay. You tell them the movie.
गाइस मूवी का नाम है मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला. यस ओके.
Yeah, I told
will
them.
start them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Matru. Matru.
बल्लू.
Matru.
बबलू.
Matru.
बट्टू.
Matru.
ब है.
Matru. No.
प.
No. So you cannot ask like this.
प म प. मत.
Matru.
मिनती का बदले का बजलेला.
Matru.
बिट्टू.
Matru. It is Matru.
मिट्टू.
Matru.
मिंटू.
Mintu.
चिंटू. मिंटू.
It's
Matru.
True.
See the timing.
बिजली का मंडोला.
बट्टू.
Matru.
ब नहीं है.
नहीं है.
पट्टू है.
पट्टू भी नहीं है. What?
पट्टू फट्टू
What is the
कुछ
timing?
नहीं.
Matru.
Yeah, she has more 20 seconds.
Matru.
पिंटू.
Matru.
पिंटू.
Matru. Tanishka, Matru.
पिंतो.
Baba, Matru. Matru.
बट्टू.
Oof. 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 Matru.
Last
बिट्टू.
Matru.
last
बिट्टू.
5 seconds.
Matru.
5,
Matru.
4,
बिट्टू.
3,
Matru.
1.
Matru.
Time
बगोला.
It's मटरू की बिजली का मंडोला.
तो बट्टू बट्टू करती थी ना. I mean बट्टू बट्टू थोड़ा तो बोल रही थी. आगे का समझ जाती थी.
समझ जाती
Okay,
थी.
so we are on a tie.
We
ये
all are-
बाला बाला समझ में नहीं
But
आया.
she's on a tie. She guessed the movie, the previous movie. राम तेरी गंगा में she guessed. But she's on 2 now. वो 2 पे है.
You are on 2 points.
Yes.
Then you are out of the game now. So
Now
between
मैं
us.
और जे टाई पे है. So आप मुझे जिताना चाहेंगे?
We should compete, and if you win, then I will happily give you the
So what compete? What do we
invisible
do?
bouquet.
What do we do?
One thing like that, whisper or anything you want to do, stone paper. We'll do that whisper thing only. Now Tanishka will explain. You want to go first?
Why Tanishka will explain?
Anyone moving? She will explain.
Yeah,
Tanishka, now you have to explain a movie to her. And
I did. It's
Which
going
one?
quite long.
all right, guys. So this is the tie,
Let us keep it a tie. Okay.
and
so
if necessary, we will do the last round in any week.
let's play stone paper scissors. Something new.
No. It's
Will
okay.
बराबर बोली. हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कभी कुछ
हाँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगर हुआ तो कभी ना कभी वी विल गिव यू, बट टाइम बीइंग वी टू आर ऑन द सेम.
ओके गाइस, तो ये वीडियो में हमारे पास विनर नहीं
This
है,
is
लूजर
too-
है, लूजर.
This is too long video.
लूजर.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for for watching our videos, supporting us, subscribing to our channels, liking, sharing and everything you do is very much, we are very much grateful to you and thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe,
Hit the bell icon, subscribe our channel and
Don't
do
forget-
follow us on Instagram also. Instagram पे हमारा नाम है @DJTFunTrio.
and don't
Yes.
forget to hit the like button, do share
And do
the
share
video,
with
and subscribe.
all the people you know, okay? And
Anything
enjoy
you
this
want,
with your
anything
family.
new, you can put in the comment section below.
And we will
Thank you so
definitely
much and
read
we
it.
love you guys.
Stay home, stay safe.